Samsung's next flagship lineup is already attracting attention, and the latest leaks suggest the Galaxy S27 series could bring some major changes. While the standard Galaxy S27 appears focused on refinement and value, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is rumored to receive significant upgrades that could make it one of Samsung's most impressive smartphones ever. From a redesigned camera system to larger batteries and powerful new hardware, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could represent one of the biggest upgrades Samsung has introduced in years. Let's start with the regular Galaxy S27. According to recent reports, Samsung is expected to take a familiar approach with the base model. Rather than completely reinventing the device, the company appears focused on improving efficiency and maintaining a premium experience while keeping costs under control. One interesting rumor suggests Samsung may use OLED display panels supplied by BOE for the standard Galaxy S27. This move is believed to help reduce manufacturing expenses, but it does not necessarily mean users should expect a downgrade in display quality. Leaks indicate the phone could feature a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness reaching as high as 3000 nits. If accurate, users can expect vibrant colors, smooth animations, and excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. When it comes to cameras, Samsung may continue using a setup similar to the Galaxy S26. Reports point toward a triple-camera system consisting of a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. While some users may have hoped for larger camera upgrades, Samsung appears focused on refining proven hardware. Better image processing and software enhancements could still lead to noticeable improvements in everyday photography. However, the real excitement surrounds the Galaxy S27 Ultra. One of the most significant leaks suggests Samsung may finally remove its dedicated 3x telephoto camera. Instead, the company is rumored to introduce a new 50-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor with 5x optical zoom. At first glance, eliminating a zoom camera may seem like a step backward. However, the higher resolution sensor could actually provide better flexibility. Samsung may use advanced cropping techniques to produce high-quality images at multiple zoom levels, including 3x zoom, without needing a separate lens. This could simplify the camera system while delivering even better image quality. Another major rumor involves the phone's overall design. For several generations, Samsung's Ultra models have used individual floating camera rings on the back panel. While visually distinctive, the design has often caused the devices to wobble when placed on flat surfaces. Leaks now suggest Samsung may replace that arrangement with a completely redesigned horizontal camera layout. Such a change would give the Galaxy S27 Ultra a fresh appearance while potentially improving stability and everyday usability. The main camera is expected to remain one of the best in the industry. Reports suggest Samsung could continue using a 200-megapixel primary sensor, but upgrade it with advanced low-fic HDR technology. This improvement could deliver better dynamic range, enhanced low-light performance, and more natural-looking images. The ultra-wide camera may also receive a substantial upgrade, potentially moving to a 50-megapixel sensor for sharper and more detailed wide-angle photos. On the front, Samsung is rumored to be preparing a significant selfie camera improvement. Instead of the current 12-megapixel sensor, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could feature a new 24-megapixel front-facing camera, improving selfies, video calls, and content creation. Performance is another area where Samsung appears ready to push the limits. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro chipset, built on a cutting-edge 2nm process. Combined with next-generation LPDDR6 memory, the device could offer faster performance, improved efficiency, and better multitasking capabilities. Storage options may start at 256 GB and extend up to 1 TB. Support for UFS 5.0 storage technology could further improve app loading times, gaming performance, and file transfer speeds. Battery life may be one of the biggest upgrades of all. According to leaks, Samsung could finally adopt silicon-carbon battery technology. This newer battery design allows manufacturers to fit larger capacities into the same physical space without making devices thicker. As a result, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could feature a battery capacity between 5,500 mAh and 6,000 mAh, representing a significant improvement over previous Ultra models. Charging speeds may also receive a welcome boost. Reports suggest support for 60-watt or even 65-watt wired fast charging. Samsung is also expected to expand its wireless charging capabilities through Qi 2 magnetic charging technology. Security upgrades may be part of the package as well. Alongside Samsung's ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, rumors point toward the introduction of Polar ID technology, which could bring advanced 3D facial authentication for enhanced security and convenience. Overall, Samsung's strategy for the Galaxy S27 lineup seems straightforward. The standard Galaxy S27 is expected to focus on delivering a balanced flagship experience at a competitive price, while the Galaxy S27 Ultra aims to push the boundaries of smartphone technology. Of course, these details are still based on leaks and rumors, meaning the final specifications could change before launch. Nevertheless, if even a portion of these reports prove accurate, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could become one of Samsung's most exciting flagship releases in recent memory. With a redesigned camera system, upgraded battery technology, powerful hardware, and a refreshed look, Samsung appears determined to strengthen its position in the premium smartphone market. Now the question is, whether these rumored changes will be enough to convince users to upgrade when the Galaxy S27 series finally arrives.